Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time cube in Raise a Floppa 2 full guide. Start by locating a time cube near crystalline spires, then interact to collect charge energy for short rewinds. Keep an eye on the cube's meter and avoid draining it on trivial events. Use the cube to undo mistakes or retry rare spawns, timing activations before major actions. Practice in low-risk areas to learn recharge patterns and conserve energy for crucial moments. To use the time cube effectively, first charge it near crystals until the meter fills partially or fully. Press the rewind key to step back a few seconds, watching the duration cost displayed on the HUD. Remember that longer rewinds cost more charge, so reserve large rewinds for critical mistakes or to retry rare encounters. Combine short rewinds with strategic saves to maximize benefits while conserving energy for future challenges. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after long sessions of grinding and exploring. It's a small upgrade that keeps you focused. I find it amusing to match fresh air with fresh game strategies, and it pairs well with late-night play. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In combat, the time cube shines by undoing a costly hit or giving a second chance to land key attacks. Reserve short rewinds for repositioning or avoiding lethal blows, and keep backup charge for emergency retreats or rare taming retries. Use consumables before rewinding to extend benefits, and practice timing so you rewind to moments that change outcomes effectively. This approach turns risky plays into manageable strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.